that at least the students who come under this seminar, or I don't call it a seminar, under this 1 hour discussion, you can always be a little more exposed than others, so that you can always think of starting your first step towards Indian patenting and all. So that is my the larger and bigger goal, and I'm sure in this festival mood, and that too in the evening 6 o'clock, I'm sure this many students have joined the seminar means I'm sure you are all having self motivation and self interest, and that is going to benefit you a lot. That is going to benefit you a lot, and if my sincere wishes, and I pray God that you must be given with some benefits for that. Anyway, so with that wish, let me start. And I thank Dr. Anil Devangavi sir, the principal, Association Engineering College, Engineering sir, and also Madam for repeatedly they were asking, and it was going on skip. And anyway, now it is a time for us. So my sincere request at the outset of this discussion or seminar is to all my participants, if you have any kind of doubt or anything at any stage, you just unmute your mic and directly ask me, no problem at all. I am just friend of you. Never ever assume that I am something like a faculty of this college or something. At least for the time being, let us not assume that you are the student or I am the teacher. No, let us remove that badge and let us try to have a discussion of next maybe 55 minutes of time, so that you will get something. That is first point. So I request every individual to be involved rather than simply log in and go out. That is not required. You are not doing any great thing there. It is as good as you are not logged in. The others who are not logged in, there is no need of official commitment. We want your personal and your commitment from your mind or heart. So that is a very much required part here. And because of that, I am requesting you, if at all you have any sort of problem or doubt or something, you can always at any stage you can interrupt me by unmuting your mic, and you can call me back. No matter, I will be as friendly as okay. And if someone feels that I am bold, I may not get much benefit here, you can log out also. Or if somebody feels that on the other hand, I will be getting more benefit out of it and I can go ahead with this, and then I am always there as your friend or mentor or your guardian, whatever you call, to carry you forward. So I don't have any problem, because I have some practical experience in patenting. As Madam said, 2 months back I could get this one. I am pity that I would have had at least 5 or 6 patents if at all we have started this patenting idea and all those things somewhere 10 years back. So somewhere 10 years back in BEC, that patenting concept or idea or the benefits, nowhere it was there. So slowly of late, after maybe 2012 or 13, we have started realizing it, the benefits in the US and all. So let me randomly ask, Nayana is there? Nayana? (19EC052). Nayana is there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Nayana. No, this is just a random. I am not a class teacher here or not. My sincere question is, Nayana, what is your expectation by attending this one? Because we have some means here, we have some goals here, we have something here Because of that, we are ready to invest 1 hour, both from my side as well as from your side. We are not here just to please somebody. Please have this in your mind. We are not here to please somebody, or we are not here just to suffice the official requirement. No, no, no. You need not to be. So just a general question is, Nayana, can you please tell me, or anybody voluntarily, can you please tell me what is your expectation or why you have joined this seminar? 1 or 2 minutes, I will just give it to you so that you can tell me. Anybody who likes to, Channabasu is there, Channabasu?
Yes, sir.
Channabasu, my sincere request on the other side is, it is better to remove that, Chennai team, this one logo, because they are out.
Yes, sir. MSD, sir.
MSD, you can remove it. He is as old as me.
Yeah, okay, sir. Remove.
No. Just on a lighter sense, boss. You need not to be hurt by me. You know, I said I am your friend. Don't worry. Yeah,
Yes,
I was asking Nayana or Channabasu or anybody, please. Just 1 minute I am giving. What is your intention of joining here, and or what is the basic thought that you are before you join here? Anybody?
we will have
How
to
you
get
Yeah.
some innovative ideas.
Huh?
Innovative ideas, sir, from this session, sir.
Yeah, I am not going to give the innovative ideas because innovation is a mental ability. It is not a physical ability. Please remember, innovation cannot be, to the large extent, cannot be borrowed from somebody. Innovation cannot be borrowed from somebody. And if you borrow something from somebody, and it cannot be innovation, that is one point. The second point is, I am not going to talk something about the innovation. I am not going to talk something about the innovation. That is a different, field. But what I am talking here in this session is, I'll be talking something about how an idea can be converted into a sort of invention, not innovation. An idea can be converted into invention, and invention can be put into Indian patent. I hope I am clear. Am I clear? Bhumika?
Yes, sir.
Am,
Yes, sir.
am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Anil?
Yes,
Anil?
sir. Yes,
I am
sir.
clear, right? So you are
Yes, sir.
getting one, Paramanand is there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, I am clear, right? So you don't have any, I am sure you are having an idea that I am going to talk on how you can get a sort of Indian patenting. What are the benefits out of it? I am giving practical steps. I don't want to give, some theory. I don't want to define what is idea. I don't want to define what is innovation and invention. And I don't want to define what is Indian patent. No. I am just going to give you the experience which I have gained through my patent. I have got one patent award and one more is in the pipeline, and I am thoroughly involved in patenting process and all. So that steps and all I am going to discuss with you so that you will be aware of that. And then if at all you are having some idea which you like to convert that into invention and you want to get the highest benefit out of it through patenting in India, you can always get the help from me. So with that wish, is it okay? Hello all of you. Shall I move ahead?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. You can move ahead, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Very nice of you. So nice of you. So let me share that my slides are visible. Hello. I don't want to talk with the slides.
Yes, visible, sir.
Yeah. So I am very happy because one or the other day I was thinking of somebody, some mentors or somebody seniors of me, if at all they had given some idea about Indian patenting to me and my colleagues who are working now, maybe 10-year or 15-year back, we would have, by this age, by this age, we would have had at least 5-6 patents, because I am sure I am having many ideas. I am sure I always think of, as Shruti said, I always give my mind maximum part of capacity of my mind for innovation, invention, all those things. So by this time I would have had at least 5-6 patents, and throughout the college at least some 50 patents would have been, at least 50 patent, and that would have been a wonderful asset, both for individual faculty or students as well as, so there would have been at least some student. So sooner or later, it was really pinching me, sooner or later, that I need to make some sort of, clarity about how to get patent in India and all. If at all you have idea or some, some idea which can be put into invention. Because patenting, unless until somebody guides you, patenting is not that easy process. I think ನೀವು ಕೇಳಿರ್ಬೋದು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹಳ್ಳಿಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರ, ಹಳ್ಳಿಲಿ ಯಾರ ಏನಾರ ಅತಿಯಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಅತಿಯಾಗಿ ಏನಾರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಪೇಟೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ ನೀವ ಅಂತಾರ. I hope you have understood, right? Basically patenting in engineering domain, patenting requires little more extra effort and more robust, more effortful task, and it requires both 50% of your technology and maybe 35 or 40% of legal part, legality. But you need not to worry about the legality, because the patent lawyer will take care of that anyway. And there may be at least 10% of what you call it as some general managerial skills like documentation or something. So all the threes are required. And if you go to any company with your biodata where it states, I repeat it, if you go to enter any company as a job holder employee with a biodata where there is one line in your biodata which says that you have applied for patenting, I will tell you what exactly the meaning of just applying, what exactly meaning of getting patent granted. So there is a difference. Just if you apply also, your weightage will be maybe 2 times more than a person who comes to join a company with just a degree certificate. I am sure you can write it on a paper. Okay, so with that wish, I thought of giving you all these ideas. So I know many of our BEC students, all youth minds, you are full of idea, I know. But only thing is, those ideas are simply, they are died, or we are letting them to die. So we never, feel that those idea can be put into a great shape. Those idea can be put into a proper, direction, so that I can get a highest benefit out of it. If you do an Indian patenting, I'll tell you, there are 2 benefits. One is your name. Now there are lakhs together brands. So all those, crushable bottles, the person who has invented its lid, is a millionaire. Please note it. A person who has invented the sieving pin, or the buckle in your pant, or the auto lock, anything you call, they are all millionaires only because of their invention and patenting. But unfortunately in India, we are too much away from the patenting our idea or invention.
Sir, 2 minutes. Sir, I welcome Chaya ma'am for this event.
That is okay.
Chaya ma'am, you are welcome.
Hello, ma'am.
Thank you so much for joining.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for joining.
Okay, right.
Thank you, ma'am.
ಅಲ್ಲ ನಾ ಯಾಕೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾ ಮನೆಯಾಗ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದಂಗೆ. ಎನಿವೆ ದಟ್ಸ್ ಗುಡ್. right? So, my dear student friends, am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So in case if anyone, if you find any difficulty in my audio or voice or reach or the slides, you please invoke your mic, unmute your mic and please tell me, okay? I said it is simply a discussion based more of, I don't have many slides. I don't have, written slides. Anyway, just few words are there here and there. So I was talking something about the invention. I was talking about the patenting. I was talking something about its benefits. There are huge benefit if it is a commercially viable product. Commercially viable product. How many of you heard of or you have seen the bottle cap on the Harpic bottle? There is something called as child lock. Have you heard of child lock cap? Because Harpic is very powerful acid chemical, and if it is kept near to children, they may catch it and they may open the bottle. Just to avoid it, the Harpic bottle is put with the self-locking mechanism. Unlocking is not easy unless until you press at one point. How many of you have seen it? Harpic bottle? Anybody has seen it? Or any other bottle where only when you press somewhere you will get unlocking, otherwise it cannot be unlocked. Forget about that. Whatever you see from your morning to evening till the end of the day, whatever you see, all those products are patented. Please remember. And if you want to produce on your own, you have to get the permission from the first inventor at a cost of lakhs together or crores together. Otherwise, you will not get it. I just repeat it. Our patent is granted. Our product innovative product is granted with patent in the last September. Just to 1.5 months back. Now there are at least two companies who have already asked us, are you able to sell your product or your invention to us so that we'll be able to produce we'll be able to manufacture the product and sell it in the market, or you like to become a partner. So that always too much benefits are there out of patenting. Now I am coming back to idea. As I said, all BC students, especially students who are in second year and third year, you have two things. One is a wonderful idea. The second one is you have enough time to realize that idea into a product and converting that invention. Once it is put into practical implementation, we call that as invention. Once that is invented, we call productized, invented, you can always go for patenting. So I'm sure the second year and third year students, if you think beyond little more than what you are thinking now, I'm sure at least one or two or three can come out of boundary and then start thinking of seriously to get Indian patenting on your wonderful idea. So my sincere request at this stage is, don't let die your wonderful ideas as it is. So idea, when I say, it may be your own or it may be tangible, non-tangible. Tangible means the idea which can be put into an idea which can be put into a product or something which can be seen by anybody. Now I take an example, if I design something for a car or a bicycle or something, it is highly tangible because everybody can see it. If I design something, on the other hand, if I design a software or if I invent my own software, then it is not tangible. but both tangible and non-tangible, whether it is tangible means anything physically you can see it, or you cannot see them physically, that is non-tangible. Idea means idea only. I mean, they can be converted into invention and they can be put into Indian patenting, please. Okay, so idea can be tangible or non-tangible. Idea can be technical or non-technical. So most of our students or me or the faculty members or colleagues, we go for more of technical idea, and that suggests something about technical feasibility. Feasibility, the exact meaning in local Kannada, ನಮ್ಮ ಜವಾರಿ ಭಾಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀಗುದು. So ಇದು technically whether that idea is feasible, ನೀಗ್ತೈತೋ ಇಲ್ಲೋ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ. That is very much, we need to have it is better to have an idea which is technically feasible. Then it is easy for engineering students to, start implementing it. I am telling every time that idea need to be put into invention, or you need to productize it only because, I repeat it, I am telling many times or repeatedly that idea need to be put into invention or innovation many times because in India, there is no such thing like idea patenting. Idea cannot be patented in India. Idea cannot be patented in India unless until you convert that idea into some, invention or product. You cannot go for patenting. Then somebody may ask me, then I have an idea, but to get it into a product or invention, I need some time, but at least say 1 year. So if my idea, if I keep it with me and start, implementing that, then by the time somebody else may start, that is always obvious question. So, but remember, if you have an idea, wonderful idea, and if you feel that I am capable of converting that into an invention or product, then you can always go for one particular way called as provisional patenting. I am giving you some words. Provisional patenting. Provisional patenting means you have an idea. With the idea, you are just applying it for patenting. So your idea is protected by the Patent Authority of India or controller of patenting in India for 1 year. Exactly 1 year they will protect it. Nobody else, if they come up with the same idea, they will be late and you are the originator. So idea can be protected just for 1 year. So within that 1 year, you have to convert that into a product or invention and then apply for patenting. So that only idea, with the idea if you are applying, that is called as provisional patenting. Provisional patenting. And if you have invented everything and then you go for patenting, then we call it as full specification patenting. Full specification patenting means you have already converted idea into innovation or product and you have invented your own product, and with that you are going for patenting. On the other hand, I have idea but I don't know exactly how to implement it, but I need say 6 months or 7 months or maximum within 12 months, 1 year, I can convert that into a product. Then you can always on the first day itself, once you get the idea, on the first day itself, you can always go for Indian patenting, but it will be simply provisional patenting. For 1 year, your idea will be protected. Before the elapse of 1 year term, you need to convert your idea into a product or something, then you apply with full specification patenting. I hope. Are you able to follow, most of you? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, the idea can be productable, non-productable. If the idea is productable, you will have two benefits. First benefit is name and fame, no doubt. The second benefit is you earn a lot. You will become a millionaire. You will become a millionaire. if your product is highly marketable. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ nobody can steal it, and if somebody steals also, you can always get money by just suing them to the court. ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ನೀವು ಪೇಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಥಾರಿಟಿ ಥ್ರೂ ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ you will get crores of, penalty. Patent Authority of India is responsible for that, to get it. They will fight for you, no doubt. But only thing is, any idea or invention or product, if it is more of productable in nature and it has some market, feasibility, then it will be having what we call it as commercial feasibility, market potential, commercial feasibility. Okay, I will go ahead. I need not to talk much about this theory. I will go to the steps. Okay, sources of idea can be your own. So there are many cases where, is it okay if I talk Kannada also? In Kannada also, hello?
Yes, sir.
So please go ahead.
Shruti madam?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Kannada, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ IIC students ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ?
Bharat sir, you can go ahead.
Okay. No. I don't have any problem in talking in English. I don't know, no problem at all. But the point here is, if I mix Kannada and English or some sort of, desi words, then probably this will be more, penetrating. So that is fine.
Yeah. Chalega sir, you can do it.
Yeah, that's good. Now, actually, over a period of these 28 years, continuous interaction and bonding with students in this college, I feel there are at least 75, maybe more than that, I don't know. In my gauge, at least 75% of students, when I ask them to come out with some idea, what they do is they will Google through. This is the bad most way of searching for idea. Please remember, idea has to come as it is. Somebody is riding the bike. He or she is every day finding that problem. That, ಈ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಹಿಂಗಿರೋ ಬದಲು ಹಿಂಗಿದ್ರೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಅಥವಾ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದೇನೋ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಒಂದು ಫಿಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಅಥವಾ ಟೈರು ಇಷ್ಟು ಬಿಡುತ್ತ ಬದಲು ಇಷ್ಟು ಇದ್ರೆ ಚಲೋ ಇತ್ತು, ಅಥವಾ ನಾನು ಜಳಕ ಮಾಡಕತ್ತಿದ್ದೆ, ಆ ಐಡಿಯಾ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಐತ್ರಿ, ಯಾರು ಕದಿಬೇಡ್ರಿ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು. ಹಲೋ, I request nobody to steal that idea. I have one idea. ಏನು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಅಥವಾ ನೀವು ಯಾರು ಅದನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟೈಸೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಷ್ಟದೈತೆ, ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟೈಸೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ you can always ask my partnership, no problem. But the thing is, every day when I take bath, ಜಳಕ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ನಾ ಏನ್ ಅನ್ಕೋತೀನಿ, ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ನೀರು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಈ ನೀರ್ ಬದಲು ಏನಾದ್ರು ಬೇರೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗಿತ್ತು, ಅಥವಾ ನೀರೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಡಿವೈಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಅಡ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ಮಣ್ಣು ಕಿಂಡ್ಲ ಕಲಿ ಎಣ್ಣೆ ಜಿಡ್ಡು ಉಪ್ಪಿಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಿತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಆರ್ ಯು ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಫಾಲೋ?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is very much, it has highest, potential. Your own idea. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಹಳ್ಳಿಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಏನೇನೋ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿತಾರೆ, ಬಟ್ ಅದು ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ nobody is bothered about patenting. Unfortunately, ಇಂಡಿಯಾದ ಗೋಮೂತ್ರ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಗೋಮೂತ್ರ, ರೈಟ್, ಯೂರಿನ್, ಕೌ ಯೂರಿನ್, ಒಂದು